Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens, a camera that remains one of the best entry-level DSLRs for beginners, students, and anyone stepping into serious photography. At the heart of the Canon Rebel T7 is a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which delivers sharp images with excellent detail and natural color reproduction. Compared to smartphones, this larger sensor captures more light, resulting in better image quality, improved low-light performance, and more background blur for professional-looking photos. The camera is powered by Canon's DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, which helps with fast image processing, accurate colors, and reliable performance. While it's not the newest processor, it's stable, efficient, and perfect for learning photography fundamentals without complexity. The included 18 to 55mm kit lens is versatile and beginner-friendly. It covers wide-angle shots for landscapes and group photos, as well as zoomed-in shots for portraits and everyday photography. Autofocus is accurate, and Canon's color science makes skin tones look natural straight out of the camera. For video, the Rebel T7 supports full HD 1080p recording, which is ideal for YouTube, online classes, and casual video projects. It's simple to use and gives you a clean, natural look that many creators still prefer over heavily processed smartphone footage. One of the biggest advantages is built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to transfer photos directly to your phone or control the camera remotely using Canon's app. This makes sharing content on social media quick and easy. The Rebel T7 has a lightweight body, comfortable grip, and a simple menu system, making it ideal for students and first-time DSLR users who want to grow their skills. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable DSLR to learn photography and videography, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is still a solid choice. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and check the link below to buy it on Amazon.